focus. And they're going IR light, debug, back, exit. Okay, don't take us off. Okay, cool. Now we got a cool view of this thing, y'all. This thing's really got some wind going to it. It looks like a pier out there or something. It's flowing pretty good. Oh, they're zooming the camera. They're panning the camera a little bit for us. Oh, they're inside with the controls. Oh, don't turn it down. Turn it up. Whoa. Lift her back up. There you go. It switched it to black and white mode. It's amazing how much more you can see. Alright, bro, leave it right there. Yeah, that's cool. You can see the little bait shed on the back there. Wow, there's some pretty fierce winds coming in. Some fierce winds coming in. Let's go check out our other one. This one's supposed to still be on, but I don't see no movement. I just told it I was still watching. So, yeah, see the fish ain't moving at all. Nothing. Maybe it's caught or something. Well, I'll have to do something with that and then come back to it. Okay, here's another one. Maybe they'll go to these cameras and adjust them a little bit, and we can see a little bit more. Boy, that thing's shaking the camera good. Wow. And I apologize if my computer's revving up. Getting hot. But you know what, guys? I'm on the same computer that I've always had. It's given me problems, and I've debugged it and reset it back to factory conditions a couple times, and it's kept on going. It's kept on going good for me. This one looks like it's stalled as well. Oh, that one's back, okay. Alright, this one's still going. But this one is, I'm disappointed in this. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, y'all. Yeah, those waters are starting to get choppy. And they've still got power on. That's a good thing for them. Still got power on. Yeah, it's interesting how this storm was supposed to hit Miami, and now they've got it wrong, and it's going the other way. personally, I think that their target is to swipe Tampa and then head on over to Panama City, Pensacola. They got a naval air base over there, and it'll be hitting on 9/11 too over there. Alright, let's go back to the other one. Check it out. Wow. That's some pretty serious winds. Shoot. Take a picture. Whoa. What did this do? Let's go back there. Let's move over here a little bit. Move it up. Back it out. I don't know what that is out there. I've gone as high as I can. See how far over it goes this way. Oh, won't go no more that way. Well, okay, when I zoom, it'll let me go. I see. So I get a different perspective, I guess. It looks like it's getting pounded by some serious spray. Okay. I guess when you pull it all the way back, you got a full view of it. I don't know. I think that this was a walk. That looks wild though, with that palm tree lit up. Alright, we'll check this one out again. And then, what you doing? There it goes. Okay, the marina doesn't look bad. The fish are still over here. Let's see if we can see one of them fish. Oh, there's some fish. Wow, there's a bunch of fish. He's going nuts. That's pretty cool. I hope these are still up in the morning and working. Can't really tell what's going on over there. I'll tell you what, it's coming down sideways. Look across the bridge. I'm glad nobody's out there on the water. Looked like a boat was over there. Well, that's bizarre looking. Well, I guess they've taken control of the camera. Wow, they're taking a good look around. Looks like some traffic going over the bridge. Looks good. Everything's still looking good. Check out the got that one, and we got this one. Let's see what we can do about this. Looks like the wind's picked up pretty good there. Looks like something's out there. There is. Okay. Alright guys, I'll shoot this one out to you, and I'll check back in a little while for some more. Hope everyone's doing well, and those who are getting out of down south, drive the back roads. Please don't get on 75, and take some extra gas with you just in case. You know, be prepared. We're all gonna get through this thing just fine, no matter what happens. Anyway, I hope everyone's well. God bless, good luck to us all. This is Chatty Dad 1, over and out.